Oppein features clear and simple procedure to make your home finishing purchase much easier. When you send an inquiry, we will make a contact in 2 days. First, Oppein will discuss with you for specific purchase intention. To custom your home, various materials and techniques are available for your choice. After confirming design demand, the design work will start. Finishing and confirming design plan, your order will be directly sent to Oppein Intelligent Factory, and your dream home is ready to be built up. Utilizing intelligent manufacturing system, Oppein makes every process automatic to make exquisite fittings for your house. Your products will be immediately delivered once down, and specialists will help installation. Oppein Home, a dream builder for every family around the world.